Right, if I were sane, I would have stopped, but I want to finish this today, so I think we can do it. I would also like... Okay, so let me just put this thing here. Ooh, Jolo, this will be a tough match. But alright, I can make this even smaller because I just want this on the back. There we go. So that's MIDI stuff. I've noticed that every closure that I use to make the events can't be made into their own structs. I won't bother doing this right now because that's just things to make the code cleaner. It's not really necessary. Just like, yeah, I did put the audio back, the music. What I do still need to do is make something. I'll call this a parser. Make a config script and a parser for this config script. I spent the rest of the day thinking about it. I have an idea. It will be quite simple, it will be bad, it will work. That's all that we care about right now. So all of this is pretty much done. But now we need to add a configuring inputs. And actually I want to look at key events to have this. This application allows mapping key mid events into 4 different types of actions. Basic actions, basic press, let's call it like this, a simple key press followed by the key release shortly thereafter. This is this one. Then we have velocity based. A key press of variable hold time. Yeah, a variable hold time calculated based on the velocity of the mid event. toggle. Toggle. Yeah, toggles a key between pressed and released whenever. Let's go with that. Additionally, set velocity threshold below which the action will be. If the event velocity is too low, then a limit, a basic press is realized instead, is done instead, is done instead. And finally, hold action. Repeated hold holds the key down while the mid event is repeated. Is repeated quickly. This can allow mode into 4 different types of actions. These actions must be configured on a script through a script which has the following through the following script. Oops. This line is starting with our comments. Yeah, they are ignored by the application. That's what I was thinking about writing. Then note on. Type of event that generates this note on is actually quite useless because there's no action that allows a note off right now. Application is quite limited and only accepts note on mid events, thus it's not configurable, thus that's not configurable. Okay, then let me get this. That's 8. I can sight read 8 lines. after a mid event 41, 43. Because here it doesn't matter that it's this or that. Oops. All right. Okay, so here is... I wonder if doing this will be any better. Because then it's kinda annoying, but it's easier to read. Key is A. Do a basic press on mid event 41, holding A down for 1 second. All right. And do a basic press on mid event 43, holding B down between 10 and 1000 milliseconds based on the event velocity. Oops. Oops. Is caps lock pressed? Yeah. This is 44, alright. Toggle C. What was the duration there? Okay. Wait, no, this is a mess. Yeah, 75. Toggle C if the velocity is above 75. Considering that it goes from 0 to 128. And otherwise holding it down for 10 milliseconds, because that's exactly what was there. Alright, this is toggle. Okay. Alright, now the mic, okay, is in a better position. It was too much in my face, it was kinda annoying. Okay, yeah, and that was mid-event 44, key C, 43, key B. And yeah. Wait. Do a toggle on mid event blah, do a velocity based. Yeah, press. Good thing that I was going to be done with this in like half an hour. I'm not even halfway through the documentation. Gosh. Yeah, this 32 is D, so it's just 100 and that. D. Do a repeated hold. Holding D down. If the event is repeated every 100 milliseconds. What is that first one? Is the 10 for the quick? Yeah. With this, on the first or only event, the key is released after 10 milliseconds. Perfect. So this is key 48. Key event 48, key D. This is repeat with 110. Let me just do this. 48 is 30. Because this will be valid. I just need to put an example. Hex 30. Hex trio actually, but anyway. It could be like this, but then it's so hard to remember what is what, and I don't want to, yeah, have that issue. Yeah. Numbers may be added, placed, may be written, as either in any format as long as they are properly prefixed. All right. Yeah, so and that's the basic idea. To do a script like this, which should be easily readable using spaces as the token, equals here and all. So yeah, let's go, and then I'll just do this exact configuration as an example, and also to remember on the weekend when I get this, or tomorrow, I don't know. Kadir config, I guess. I could just place it like here. I don't really like this option, but it could be in key events as well. Yeah, actually, config. Yeah, I will need to import a bunch of stuff. Package key events, I guess. Key events, that's right. Func read config. It's just reading a file, it runs locally. Whatsoever. And yeah, it may raise an error. I will need for sure strings and strconv, is that correct? Yes. There we go. I will need IO and OS as well. Long OS. Open. Read the path for opening. Perfect. So yeah. If error is not new. Event errors. Open config. Fail to open the config file. Oh no. I'm not fixing that properly. I'm fixing this in this commit and I don't care anymore. Return key events. Failed. Blah. Oh right, I need to, yeah. Return wrap.wrap this. This is also on, yeah, on the interface. Really? But like on key events. What's the name? Keyboard event, that's right. Okay, the file.close. Okay, it's either in IO or in IO util. I forgot to put Golang here. Line. Yeah, it's in IO util. Read. Oh. Huh. Hmm. Okay, yeah. No, no. No. Scanner. Huh. Huh. No, wait, that doesn't make any sense. Buff IO, there we go. Reader, read line, there we go. Oops. Buffio. Buffio.new reader file. There's no way this fails. And then we do a read line. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Works for me. Scanner. For scanner.scan. I don't like this interface, like, at all. Gosh. Read line. Fail to read file, yeah. Read the config file. Oh. Return wrap.wrap this. Okay. Scanner.text. And can't this fail somehow? Gosh, this sucks. Honestly. Because like... Okay, so I assume that it either read a line or it failed. And if it read a line, the line can be converted to text. Because that doesn't make any sense. I mean, yeah, sure. Any string may be... Any byte array may be converted to a string. Some way or another, but it may. That's fair. It's just stupid. Args is strings.split. I don't know the order. Split. Separator is the second one. Line space. Break each line into space separated components. If length of args is less than 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, because every action has a thing, whatever. Return. This is config argsbad. Wait. If len line is greater than 0, it could happen. It may be an empty string. That's totally valid. Less than 0 or line 0 is this. Skipped empty lines and lines starting on this. Yeah. Comments. There we go. Missing arguments bad. Config line is missing some arguments. I could specify the line and stuff. Nah. Again, I'm just doing something stupid and simple. I'm not doing something good. So, alright. If not, strings dot has prefix. Yes, and it's the same thing. So args 0. Missing channel token. Config channel invalid. And then I just do a few of those. Yeah, actually, there we go. So it's channel, event, key, and then action. Token for channel. Token for channel. Here is invalid channel. Must be a value between, I don't know, 16 I guess, and 15, something like that. Action. There we go. Key. Event. Missing token this, missing token that. Right? Yeah. This, that. Oops, I did it. Yeah. For event, for key. Yeah, the valid, I don't know what are the valid keys, to be quite honest. There we go. Because it's kinda... Huh. It seems to be below 256. Okay. Yeah, but actually we know which keys are valid. Invalid key. Must be one off. Basic. Velocity. Toggle. And repeat. Now let me just do this because it's gonna be way easier to do it like this. Snap. I'll fix that right now actually. There we go. So much easier. Case. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I'm keeping this here, but I'm removing it down there. I hope this is consistent with what I did here. Nope. So we are just removing this. Okay. So now yeah, now it's just boring and copy things here, parse stuff, all that good stuff. Func get int, prefix string, badge token, and invalid. Error, and returns an int and an error. And then we need to figure out the actual valid ranges, but that doesn't matter for this function. And I'll also line no arg get int reads an integer from the argument from arg, removing the prefix from the start. Badge token is returned if the prefix is invalid. Badge token because otherwise invalid becomes quite weird here. And invalid if the value isn't a string, an integer. Of course, so now I can just grab this, put it here. Arg. No, prefix. Return badge token yeah. Earn. There we go. Right, so str value is arg after the prefix len. Then I do a strconf parse int or a2e no, parse int, because I can use 0 to specify anything. The base is implied, binary, octal, hexadecimal, and decimal otherwise. That's perfect. I knew that I never used strconf a2i parse int str value base 0 and bit size like 32 is 16 would be enough already. Hacking 16, and then it returns an integer and the error val and if return the error, return whatever and the error. There we go. Invalid Otherwise, simply return val and new. Alright. Good. Now channel and is args 0 channel, and here it's the channel token missing, token invalid. Yeah. No, here. EV key. Yeah, it has to be in this order because, again, I'm not doing this in a smart way, I'm doing this in a fast way. Okay. If simply return EV key. Int key, because key must be converted into a string. We'll do that soonish. Okay. Parse the arguments. Action is args3. And if not valid actions action, now we just have to make this map var valid actions, which is a map of string to boolean. List every available action. No, C2, right. Alright, yep, and now this works as well. Actually, actions to args list how many arguments each action has. Base key has only one. Velocity and every other one has 2 arguments. Yeah. 2, 2, 2. Yes. No args, okay, is this? If not okay, check that there are enough arguments for the action. Or has too many arguments. Yeah, whatever. So here key events. No? Oh, of course. Key events. Alright, there we go. Else if len g-args is different from non-args +4 because of this tree. Yeah, it's hard-coded. Yeah, I don't really care right now. I could do a cur arg. Yeah, but the ++ in there is kinda iffy as well, so yeah. Yeah, and actually here is a for const min args the minimum number of arguments in a line. I hate that I have to do this kind of thing nowadays. Okay. So, alright, this works. Now I know that this is correct and that every arg is a numeric argument, because I don't know, that's how I made the parser. Config action argument invalid. Argument expected a positive integer. The sound font sounds like Mega Man for some reason. Yeah. Parse every argument as a simple integer, as a simple non-zero integer. Want args var non args int Let me also, before I forget, else if channel is less than 0 or channel is greater than 15, and here is the annoying part, because I will need to do a map for this, but yeah. Yeah, actually the key is... No, that's not... Oh wait, I did it wrong here. Good thing I was doing this. Okay, args2 key equals returns this error. Yeah. Otherwise, str key is args2 after key equal. Yay. Yay. Then key will come from a map, key name to int, str key, and if that doesn't work, then we do this. We just need to create this map. Key map. And here we import this thing, because it will be important in a moment. Map string to int. And honestly, I don't care. I haven't run go fmt once. I'm going to run after I'm done with everything. Maps each key name to its value. There's nothing here, but at least this will compile now. I just need to remove the junk that came alongside that. Now arguments for arg in range, args after the third one, no, after the fourth one, right? Yeah, after the fourth one. After min args, actually. No args. This might work. Yeah, I'm hoping that this works. No this. I'll pass arg here, the empty string there, new here, and here it's this. Alright. Then after all this, we know that everything is correct. Else, if num is less or equal to 0, also return that same error. Then num args is num args appended to itself. And we know that len must be equal. We don't even need to check that, but I don't care anymore, I am checking it. If len of num args is different from want args, something went terribly wrong and we need to investigate. So, alright, let me just long play. Yeah. Strings has prefix. Good. Because right, it has the prefix. But who knows? Okay, so now we have every argument, we know that everything is valid, so we can start registering the events. Read config reads, read config reads the configuration file in path and registers the actions. The listed actions, yep. Alright. Switch action. Shouldn't happen, but right. Valid action. Oh yeah, actually here I want to pass strings dot to upper. Yeah, to upper. To upper. There we go. Okay. Let me actually... Yeah, oops. There we go. There we go. There we go. No, actually this is the only one that is okay. Then this is int. And int. That's fine. And now we do channel equals int 8 of int channel, and event is the uint 8 of alright, that's key because it's the mid key. I hate that name now. It should have been mid key and not key. I'm not changing that right now. That's the theme of this. It's like, okay, everything that I made is awful and eventually it will get fixed. Not now. Channel event key. This is a mid. Event node on. Okay, I just need to change this to key. And then to add these other things. Alright. Alright. No. There we go. And there we go. Now release time is no args 0 times time dot millisecond, and then I can just do this. Min press and max press. I just need to do this, then remove this. Okay, I need to grab the threshold here. Perfect. Okay. There we go. Short release is this. Oh right, because that's the... No. Why did only this? Why did I only do this one? Oh, because that's the difference between the timestamps. I see. Okay. Now this. Okay. If non-args 0 is greater than 256, actually 128, then just return the invalid argument. And yeah, otherwise this looks correct. I mean, let's see what's Docker. Yeah. Let's see what opinions Go has of this. On line 82. There we go. Undefined get int. Then error config channel token blah blah blah. Wait, what? Why did you? Wait, when did I screw up? I don't care. I mean, I know exactly how this happened. No, I am copying because screw this. Token invalid. It's just how, when. There we go. Yeah, I can. Because I asked nicely and I said that it should be 16 bits long, so you shouldn't be returning something that doesn't fit into that. Alright, I did a bunch of dump now. Because I changed it here to CH, but not here. Tehe. Yep. On line 6A, okay. This got screwed as well, this got screwed as well. There we go. Has prefix. It's not valid actions anymore. Okay, now I just need to import time and mid. Okay, and then I need to put this into the keyboard event. And yeah, I didn't use IO because I read it using better things. And it compiles. It probably works. Honestly. The path to the configuration file. There we go. Okay, and now I just need to, instead of doing this, do a keyboard dot read config path this. Excuse me. Okay, now export path equals path midcat 06 slash Linux AMD 64 midi-go-key. Perfect. Minus part 0. Oh, right. Yeah, let me just and do this here. Now I should be able to run this. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, I knew it. Now I will just copy this to config.txt. And now it should, hopefully, work. On line 54. Tehe. Now it will work. A valid event must be between 0 and 15. No. No. Who's the dumb who said that? And 255. I don't care. Oops. Right. 255, yeah. Perfect. I saved, yeah. Now it. Yeah, okay, no, that's perfect. That makes perfect sense. Because, oops, I don't think I want to do this right now. Ugh. I haven't made this. Yeah, let me just... There we go. There we go. There we go. I will filter through a bunch of these. That should be numpad, I believe. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm removing all this. Whatever. F24 was useful in a game for me, so I'm keeping that. Yeah, that looks good enough. Okay, I will need to clean this up afterwards, but let's just get something that works at the very least. Okay. No. Why didn't that work? Okay, because the number... No? No. 1, 2, 3. Copy to the end, go back to the start, add as a string, go to the next space, remove that, go to the next word. And you are being dumb. Why? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I know why. 1, 2, 3, copy to the next space. Go to the next space. Go to the next word. Now this will be almost perfect because it will break on these separations, but yeah, that's whatever. Right. Keyboard event dot virtual key blah. Repeat the macro, go. Fuck. Okay, yeah, space VK. Keyboard event dot this. Repeat. There we go. And this should build. Why? On line 9. Oh, hello? Perfect. It should work. I don't know. I'm not testing this right now. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. No, I need to do that at some point. Not now. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yep. There we go. And now it's just all those new files. And I need to ignore my config file. Could this be better documented? Yeah. Do I care? Not right now. Honestly. Yeah. No. And yeah. Git checkout means B. That's read config. Perfect. And now I will do parse actions from a configuration file. And alright, I didn't close this right. Go as is Windows. Go. Now it's built for Windows as well. Seriously? You fucker? Yeah, okay. So you want to play like this? Let's kpjp, kp enter, kp slash equal plus minus comma mute volume down and up. And macro and power and scale up, blah blah blah. That's stupid. That honestly doesn't make any sense, but I don't care. It's done. Yeah, just remove those, no one will miss them. Now, eventually I'll test this, then I'll write my config file, and then I will play Momodoro with this. Heck yeah.